To add a contact in the mobile app, navigate to a job and locate the Contact section to access the Contact Floater button. Click the Add Contact button, enter the contact's name, and tap Save to link the new contact to the customer. Link the newly created contact to the site to complete the association with both the customer and the site. Navigate to a quote record, locate the Contact section, and click the Contact Floater button to add a contact. Enter the contact's name, tap Save, and select a role to link the contact to the quote and complete the process.